Welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process on how to disable your notification reminders on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open Settings, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Notifications. Under Notifications, tap on Advanced Settings. Then from here, you want to look for repeat notification alerts, and you want to tap on it. You can tap on the toggle at the top to disable your notification alerts completely. Alternatively, if you want to disable for a specific app, then it's fairly simple. You can select apps to repeat alerts, and then you can come and tap on the toggles next to the app you don't want to get notification alerts from. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.